two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your SHEIN account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to enable it and follow any prompts to set it up. Step 5. Verify your method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the instructions to verify your method, ensuring that 2FA is fully activated. Now your SHEIN account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.